Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. You are only responsible for your half of a relationship. There are two halves in every relationship, but you're only responsible for your half of the relationship. It's not up to you to control the other half. Respect the other half, and there will always going to be peace in that relationship. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 98, NASDAQ off 100, S&P's down 17, gold contract up $2.50, trading at $12.4890. Silver up 5 cents, $16.62. Now, both gold and silver, folks, we need to catch a bid on them. Bottom line, we'll see whether we do. The way that the dollar got crushed out here today, we should have caught a bid. We didn't. We'll see where it shakes out. Platinum trading at $9.18 an ounce. Copper up a penny and a half at $2.65 a pound. Light sweet crude down 87 cents, up 87 cents rather, at $44.25 a barrel. We're going to get the EIA numbers tonight, API numbers tonight, EIA numbers at 10:30 tomorrow. Notes, 10-year note down 17.6, 126.07. 30-year bond down a point and a half, almost a point and 13 ticks, 155.16. Now, both notes and bonds did come down with volume, folks. That expanded volume. We'll see how they handle trading tomorrow. They came into, however, they didn't break down. They came into monster volume days. So it's going to need more than 1 day with an expansion of volume on the way down. King dollar, different ball game. King dollar, growling, prowling, screaming, wants 95. It almost hit 95 today. We hit 96,100 right now. Down 1,016 ticks. It looks to me that King dollar's been trying to get to this 95. So 95, folks, is where we started election night. It first tanked to 95, and then bottom line, 6 weeks later, it's at 103. Now, it's been coming down since 103, got croaked. And actually, the way that it's traded out here, I suspected the 91 would take a little bit longer. Doesn't look like it's going to. It looks like this thing actually doesn't want to stop at the 95 and get its head wrapped around 91. Now, 91 is the lower part of the consolidation that we've been in since March of 2015. We go to 91, you're going to see some heavy volatility out here. The euro broke topside. We're at 113.5. The euro, bottom line, wants to go to 116, and that's one of the catalysts here. I mean, there's a direct correlation, but the euro cleared this consolidation, and it did it pretty good. The yen's trading at 112.21. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Guess what, folks? What do? You blew apart. Volume comes out again. Bottom line, we're going lower. It was going after the swing point of the 16th. That's $241.63. We're at $241.33. We're underneath it. You did 75 million shares versus that 85 million. You closed at the lows. This wants to go after the May 17th and 18th area, which is a long way down, by the way. That's 6 points from where we are. That's 235.43. Now, that being said, guess what? When we go through this dollar, I'm going to show you that many of the markets have already come back to where election night was. Markets rallied off that election night. Bottom line, the peso, if you want to see something that's amazing, the peso, folks, bottom line, between Trump saying he's going to do a wall, doing all this, and Mexico's going to be in trouble. Well, guess what? The peso is stronger than the dollar. And that's before the election, okay? So the bottom line is that you can take the rhetoric, throw it out. You want to make money or not make money? Bottom line, the SPY right now, that number on the SPY is dangerous. That number on the SPY where we started from is 211. Yeah, 211, okay? And we're at 241. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. This is what you have with the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials come down $98. You did 880 million, so you had an expansion of volume on the way down. we'll see how the Dow bottom line gets down into this 21,169 would be your next number. Now, if you get back inside the 21,169, oh baby, that's gonna get you down into the 20,373 area. The composite and the NDX 100, that's what led the market all the way down. Bottom line came right across today, same deal. Sold all day, closed at its lows. The lowest swing point that it's going after is 61.10. That's only $30 away from where we are, $36. This is going after the lows of the 8th, the 18th, and the 17th of May, and that is 59.96. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Now check it out. Okay, so gold out here, 4 o'clock in the morning yesterday, they take gold south, they get down to 236.50. It retests that area, rejects it, comes back inside the range. Today you did 200,000 contracts, good contract volume. You're inside the range, we need a bid. Bottom line, showing there's no sellers, but we don't have a bid yet, meaning where are the buyers? Silver, same type of setup inside silver. Silver right now, silver got a better bid than gold though. That's important because silver can get us out of here. Silver is a psycho metal, no two ways about that. Silver did 51,000 contracts. I still want to see silver inside $16.88, and you're at $16.69. The note and bond market, what you have with this is that the note market and the bond market came down on volume. That being said, not the type of volume that would need to actually break down because we were going into 1.57 million contracts as well as 2.4. We did 1.5 though. Okay, so bottom line is that's saying that guess what? Game here is on probably 125.14. You could get down into that level pretty easy. 30-year, same type of setup inside the 30-year. Now let's go over to good old King Dollar. So King Dollar, folks. This little baby came down, broke apart everything. We take a look at this on a weekly. What you're going to see is it's sticking out like a sore thumb. 95.905. Well, we hit 96.045. This looks to me like it's not going to blow it apart. It's going to blow it apart, man. This thing, next stop is 94, and they get these spike lows out here at 91. If we go over to the euro and take a look at the euro quickly, what you're going to see is the euro broke topside. This is a clean break, man. The euro just took everything out, taking no prisoners. This euro is on its way up to 116. We get a euro at 116, we're going to have a dollar at 91, and we'll have gold up at 1,300. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished down 98. NASDAQ off 100. S&P's down 15.5. We're going to be right back.
If you're an active trader looking for that extra edge when it comes to